Hi, I'm Craig Terblanche. AI governance is not optional. It is the soil agentic systems, AI that acts, decides, and operates with minimal human intervention, are already inside most organizations. The question is not whether to use them. The question is whether you are ready for what they will magnify. This framework gives boards a way to measure where they stand, plan where they are going, and govern the journey. We move from traditional to transformative. From guesswork to a measurable baseline, let us begin. Us. Most companies are overwatering, more tools, more pilots, more experiments, and still no results. The reason is not the technology. The reason is the foundation. Bad workflows run faster with AI. Messy data becomes a faster liability. Unclear accountability becomes ungovernable at scale. AI does not fix these things. It accelerates them. 3 failures appear on every board agenda: deploying without a baseline, adding tools without fixing process, and letting governance trail deployment by 12 months. Each one is correctable. None corrects itself. Every organization operates across 3 domains: customer and product, facing outward; organization and operations, facing inward; platform and enabling services, the engine underneath. The framework is deliberately generic at first glance. It is not. The column headers, the mandate levels, the capability descriptions, and every metric in the tables that follow, each is a prompt, not a prescription. Replace the language with yours. Fill the cells with your strategic intent. Move the governance line to where accountability actually sits in your organization today. 4 principles govern how to use it. First, adapt the language. Boards respond to their own vocabulary, not a consultant's. Second, populate each cell with enterprise-specific goals, not aspirational filler. Third, calibrate the metrics to your actual KPIs and reporting cadence. Fourth, position the governance line honestly, not where you wish it sat. The dashed line is the governance gap. Above it, where your AI is operating. Below it, where accountability currently lives. That gap is the risk. Closing it is the work. 7 mandate levels. Every rand of AI spend sits on one of them. Transformative. Your agentic systems disrupt your own model before a competitor does. Commercial innovation. AI compresses time to market. Improve continuously. Optimization loops that never stop. Service and grow. AI holds the line while expanding. Fix and maintain. Compliance agents and SLA bots. Deliver and run. Automation on cash cows. Legacy sludge, shadow AI, ungoverned tools, end-of-life risk. Most JSE-listed organizations fund, fix, and maintain while presenting a transformative narrative to the board. The slide does not lie, the budget does. The board question is simple: where is the money, and does it match the mandate? Goals without owners are wishes. Each cell on this slide represents a specific outcome, not an activity, not a capability aspiration, but a result that can be measured and attributed to a named human being. King v. Principle 10 does not ask whether your organization uses AI. It asks who is accountable for what it produces. Humans in the lead is not a workflow checkbox. It is a leadership position. It means someone's name is on the decision, before the agent acts and after. The top row is the ceiling most boards say they want. Point to the names attached to those goals. If there are none, you are not governing. You are hoping. What gets measured gets managed. What does not get measured drifts. Traditional transformation metrics, CAC, CLV, ROI, cost to revenue, remain valid. They tell you whether the business is healthy. They do not tell you whether your AI is governable. 4 metrics belong on every agentic dashboard that do not yet appear on most board reports. Agent task completion rate versus human override rate. Are your agents performing, or are people quietly fixing their outputs? Time to accountability. When an agent decision is challenged, how long before a named human takes responsibility? Percentage of agentic outputs with a named owner. If this number is not 100, you have ungoverned AI. These are not technical metrics, they are governance metrics. They belong at board level. 3 questions, 3 phases, 1 discipline. First, where are we today? You cannot plan a journey without a starting point. The baseline measures your actual AI capability posture across all three domains by mandate level, by department. It surfaces the ungoverned systems most boards do not know exist. Second, where are we going? The transformation plan sets domain-specific goals with named human owners. It aligns AI investment to mandate levels. Critically, it defines the governance structure before the next deployment decision reaches the agenda, not after. Third, how do we stay accountable? King v. Principle 10 is not a compliance checkbox. It is a discipline. Govern the journey period by period. Measure the delta, not activity, transformation. This is the ExoAdvisory engagement. We start with the baseline. Everything else follows from it. 3 sentences. They carry the whole argument. Strategic intent before scale. Know what you are building before you build more of it. Governance before deployment. A name on the decision before the agent acts. Not after the damage is done. Soil before water. Fix the foundation. Then apply the technology. The board that establishes its AI baseline today governs its agentic future. The board that does not is already behind, and adding tools will not close that gap. ExoAdvisory is ready to begin.